In this video, I will show you how you can change the backgrounds or the watch faces on the Galaxy Fit 3. Now you can change the watch faces by tapping on the watch face, and from here you can swipe to the left side and you can select any of the default watch faces from here. For an example, I will select this one. Now just tap on it to set it as default. But if you want to set a custom watch face, like if you want to set your photo as the watch face, you can do it from the Galaxy Wearable app. First of all, just pair your band with your phone. Then the next step is, on your Android phone, just open the Galaxy Wearable app. Over here, just tap on connect and make sure that your Android phone is paired with your band. After you've done that, now just tap on watch faces. Now from here, just scroll down and you can download any watch face from here, but we will select the one which we can customize. As you can see under photos, you will find this watch face. Now just tap on it and select add. After you set this watch face as your default watch face on your band, then scroll down to the top of the page. And from here you will find the option to customize. Just tap on customize. And from here you can either tap on camera and you can capture a photo using the camera of your phone and you can set it as your watch face, or you can tap on gallery. And from here you can select any photo from your gallery app. For example, I will select this photo, then tap on done. Now just select the part which you want to set on your watch face. For example, I will select this part. Now after you've done that, you can edit your photo from here. You can increase or decrease the exposure. You can edit the photo as you like. You can increase or decrease the contrast, the highlights, the shadows, the saturation of your photo, and also you can set a tint. Now once you're done editing the photo, then tap on done to set it as your watch face. Now if you want to change the color of the clock, you can do it also from here. You can tap on clock type and you can set the clock at the top or at the bottom, just like the one which you like. And after that you can tap on color and you can set a custom color. Just like that. Just select the color which you prefer, and once you're satisfied with your watch face, then tap on save. Now if we check our band, as you can see, we have successfully set a custom watch face on our Galaxy Fit 3. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.